So I'm here with my daughter. We're on a mission today looking at all these old trucks. I guess this guy was collecting them and he wants to sell them all now. So this one sold yesterday. Nice little short hood. I think he said it went for $4,500. Pretty decent truck, but I think I'm interested in an old Kenworth. So he's got some old needle noses and W9s. So we'll keep wandering around and take a look at those. All right, what do we got here? Old Kenny with that, yeah, the old Canadian intake. It's like a Cummins. I don't know if it's a 350 or 400. Yeah, it's a nice 900. Short hood. What's he doing with Mac mirrors on there? It's pretty vintage. Oh, it's a twin stick. Kaylee, we may have found a winner.
Found a winner, Dad?
I don't know. A twin stick 900. Oh, I don't like the wagon wheels though. So it need new hubs. But that is sweet. Look at that. I don't know if it's a 5 and 4 or a 6 and 4. Oh, she is minty. Literally, Kaylee, it's minty. It's a minty color. It's pretty rough, huh?
Yeah.
Look at those glitter knobs, though. Oh, I think your mother would love if I brought this home.
I think she'd freak out.
That's an old winch truck. Neat. Oh, the mintiness out here is awesome. There's a couple more, 900A and B. Check out this old needle nose. This is what we came to look at. Look at, there's two of them. There's one here and there's one with a big brush guard. Look at this old girl. Canadian. Trees growing through it. Oh, this is gonna, this has got 3 sticks. Look at that.
3 sticks?
I don't know if I've ever seen that before. Oh, she's pretty far gone, but wow. This is an authentic project. Yeah, this is super rare.
Do you even know how to shift 3 sticks?
I don't know. I need 3 arms.
Meant for an alien, Dad.
Oh, this is neat. Wow. Very vintage. I don't know if it's a cat or what this is. Okay, let's go look at the other one. With the big, what was the name of Stallone in that movie when he was the arm wrestler? Hawk, Lincoln Hawk. I got the Lincoln Hawk bumper on this one. This is almost the same model, it looks like. Same thing, Kaylee, in this one. 3 sticks. Wow.
Oh my God, there's a mouse.
Well, don't play with it. Wow. This is so cool. I don't know. This might be beyond my skills, but boy, it should sure be a neat old truck to restore. So that must be what the 3rd stick is for. They've got an ultra low range diff, so it's probably a high low range selector in this guy. Yeah, this truck's probably pulled a lot of rigs out of the bush in its day. Pretty far gone, but boy, she'd sure be neat to build an old 60s Kenworth. I wonder when the last time these old needle noses have been on the road. Yeah. House moving. Oh, okay, I thought they were rig movers. Boy, that is some cool old iron. An old 900. 13 speed. I like that. Emergency kill. Can't shut it off. Yeah, this is pretty rough. Now, this is a beauty. I don't know if it's for sale though. Again, it's hard to find Kenworths without the cold air intakes. They're really rare up here. They seem to all be the Canadian versions. Some people like it, but I'm more of a fan of the singles. But this is a nice 900. You could almost turn this into a Smoking the Bandit truck. I don't know if she's for sale. Blue button 15 speed. It's nice, but they're probably working this one. Here's another 900A. Old water truck. 13 speed in it. Be a good parts truck though. Still got the wagon wheels though. It's gonna be a hard time to find the buds. Okay, I think my favorite is this minty old winch truck. Yeah, she's pretty sweet. I like the long chassis. That winch would serve a good purpose, Kaylee. We could suck old stranded wrecks onto a lowboy. That's a very unique auxiliary tranny. That's not the Spicer I'm used to. Might need my friends on the internet to identify that guy. Or no, that's probably the PTO. Yeah, it's the same box. This is the PTO drive, which drives the winch.
Cool.
The winch spool. Yeah. Ooh. It's a mouse poop.
Ew.
Just like old Blue when I found it. 199,000 miles. Yeah, probably 1.1 or 1.2. Yeah, this is a neat old truck. Interior is not too bad. Yeah, how's the roof? Oh yeah, not rotten like my Peterbilt was. Single stack. Probably a Cummins 350. I'm digging the twin sticks though. Ooh, they're pretty seized up. Let's see, is this I can't tell if it's a 6 or a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think no, it's up against the dash, so it must be a 6. 6 and 4.
10.
Just like mine. Neat. Oh, I wonder when the last time it's been running. Pretty beefy bumper. That's the most nests. Yeah, it doesn't appear to be a milkshake. Doesn't actually look in too bad a shape. I wonder if this old girl would run.
Yeah.
Wonder what they want for this minty old K-dub. Yeah, pretty typical for these old girls. No front brakes. Big leaf spring. Look at that. Yeah, she's an NTC 400. It's a big cam 400. Oh, there's 1981. Look at that. Big old Cummins. Yeah, this would be a project, all right, but it's all here. Digging those twin sticks. Yeah, it's that old leaf spring rocker suspension in the rear. She is gonna ride like hell. But that guy that had the cab over Kenworth, he had a clip off a newer late 80s bagged cab over that he cut off. So if a guy wanted to, you could snap the frame and put that new clip on there, and then you'd have the buds for the back, and you just need to get bud hubs for the front. Yeah, so it's got she needs work. Cab's actually in pretty good shape though. 02 looks like it was running. I like it, Kay. It's pretty minty.